Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create multiple choice questions in Google Forms. It's quick, simple, and perfect for creating quizzes, tests, or surveys. Let's get started. First, open Google Forms in your browser. Once you're on the home page, click on the blank form to create a new form. After the form opens, go to the Settings tab at the top. In the Settings menu, look for the option that says Make this a quiz. Turn that option on. You can also adjust other settings here, such as when to release grades and whether respondents can see missed questions. Once you're done, click Save. Now go back to the Questions section. In the main question field, type your question. Then click on the drop-down menu next to the question type and select Multiple Choice. After that, start entering your answer options one by one. You can add as many options as you need by clicking Add Option. If you want to include more questions, simply click the plus icon on the right-hand side of the screen to add a new question. For each question, make sure the type is set to multiple choice, then enter the possible answers. If you're creating a quiz, click on Answer key below the question. Here, you can select the correct answer and assign points for it. For example, you can set it to 3 points for a correct response. You can also add answer feedback to explain why an answer is correct or incorrect. Once you've finished setting up the answer key, click Done. And that's it. You've successfully created multiple choice questions in Google Forms. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy and useful guides. Thanks for watching.